Permanent work from home facility in these 7 companies, no list here. Today we are going to tell you about some websites for people looking for permanent work from home jobs where you can earn good money sitting at home by applying. 1. The 3M Work Your Way plan, known as the Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing Company, is allowing employees to create a work schedule, which helps them do their best work whenever they want, from wherever they want. 2. Airbnb has said that to further improve flexibility, it will allow its employees to work from anywhere on a permanent basis. Apart from this, Aquint is also providing the facility of work from home. 3. Atlassian is a publicly traded computer software company. Here also employees can work from home permanently. 4. Blackbaud is also offering work from home facility. Coinbase consumers use the platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Coinbase has switched to work from home. 5. Aweber is a software company that helps small businesses simplify email marketing. Aweber Communications employees can work from home permanently. 6. Dropbox will allow all employees to work from home permanently. GoTo Technologies, formerly LogMeIn, is a software company that provides solutions for business communications and its support to help businesses stay connected with customers and employees. 7. HubSpot is an inbound marketing and sales platform. The company is adopting a hybrid model. Employees may work in the office 2 or more days, or they may work from home most of the time. Like, share and subscribe.